We got Lee's daughter's Defender. Just installed a front bumper cover, fog lights. You come across here, fender liners with the mud flaps, front and rear. Next, we're gonna do the paint on all the plastic pieces right here. Gonna wrap the front grille when he has a little bit more time. Bigger wheels and tires, and she'll be good to go.